I am usually sure I live the first time you're seeing my face, hearing my voice, subscribe to the channel and get familiar. And for you, my love, that you've been here before, welcome back, Annie. So, in this video is going to be short. This video is just to provide a bit of context to you that are just new to skincare and some things are still confusing to you. So, I am going to be explaining some products and their use and when to use them. Let's start with the first thing actually is face wash. Your face wash is a most times it is liquid that you use to wash your face. So quote unquote soap for your face. You use it first, you use it and then you wash it off with water. Then after your face wash and after leaving your face to dry out for 30 seconds or more, depending on you go next to most times your toner or your essence. A toner most times is liquid, is watery, it has a watery consistency, and there are different toners. For your toner, you do not wash off your toner, you leave your toner on your face, right? And there are different ways to use the toner. You can either pour it on your hands and then rub on your face, or pour directly on your face, then use your hands to rub in, or you pour it on a cotton pad and then apply it to your face, or you pour on a toner pad and then apply it on your face. That is how to use a toner. Then we'll go into serums. Serums most times come in different bottles. So there are serums that you use an applicator like a dropper to apply. The serums that come in pumps, the serums that different bottles, right? But this is how to use it. You use it after your toner, after your face wash, most times, after your essence, most times, and you leave it on. So after applying it, so if it's a dropper, you press and drop, but make sure it doesn't touch your face, right? And then you rub all over your face to your neck, your chest, and then you leave it on. You do not wash it off. You do not what? You do not wash it off. And if it's a pump, also you can dispense directly on your palm, then rub on your face. Just do your thing, but you do not rub it off. That is for the serum. Then we have overnight max. Overnight max is most times a skincare product you apply for different purposes, hydration, hyperpigmentation, whatever, but you apply it and then you sleep and wash it off or peel it off in the morning. Do you get that? And then if you're using a peel off max, there are some marks that you apply before every other skincare product. So you apply like an exfoliating mask or a clay marks, those kinds. I'll leave some pictures on the screen. This kind of marks, you apply them after washing your face and then you leave it on for most times 10 minutes, 20 minutes or less, and then you wash it off. Wash it with water or use a towel, a wet towel to wash it off. And finally, is going to be your moisturizer, your face moisturizer, what some of you call face cream. This is most times the last thing you apply if you're not applying an overnight mask. So if you are doing face wash, toner, serum, you apply this most times or most likely at night or in the mornings too. You apply it and you do not wash it off. It's a cream, you leave it on. In the morning, you leave it on. If you apply at night, you're leaving it on, you're not washing it. And that's the last thing you apply. But if you are applying an overnight mask will come after the moisturizer. But if you are not applying an overnight mask, your moisturizer is the last thing to apply. It's actually not the last thing you apply in the morning. It is your sunscreen that is the last thing you apply in the morning. So let's talk about application of a sunscreen. A sunscreen is you don't wash it off. You apply on your face, you rub it on your face. Most times when you rub it, it is white and all that. You leave it for a few seconds to absorb into your skin and you see that everything has disappeared. And then you reapply, after every 2 hours. I have a video on sunscreens and I spoke about sun sticks in that video. So sun sticks are good for reapplication. So my love, I hope now you understand how to apply or what to do with some of your skincare products. And again, I am Yusra Ali. Some of you know me as Olashubomi. That's fine too. And I am here to simplify skincare to you, to simplify makeup to you, because beauty is not hard. You just need to get into it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.